Well, rain is back in the forecast tonight. Went ahead and went weather aware for Friday night and for Saturday morning. Heavy rain could lead to flash flooding, so stay weather aware. Here's a look at the frontal boundary draped right overhead. That feature, along with a whole lot of moisture, will give us some rain, and that rain will be moving very slowly and it could be heavy. So that flood threat is elevated. Here's a Knoxville view. Can't see much, but you can see a few raindrops on that camera lens. Temperature 72. Wind out of the south-southeast, so you can tell that that front is north of Knoxville. So dew point is very high, a lot of moisture in place. And here's a look at the radar. Not raining in heavy in Knoxville right now, but just west along Interstate 40. That is a downpour. South of Knoxville and across the Blount-Knox County line, seeing some heavy rain as well. Not much lightning with these showers, but a lot of heavy rain in Sevier County east of Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge. Seeing a lot of rain, and that rain is kind of staying put. So I wouldn't be surprised if they're seeing some flooding issues right now. We're seeing some light to moderate showers across areas west along Interstate 75 down into portions of Loudoun and into McMinn counties. A few downpours up into Scott and Campbell County as well. But besides that, we're just seeing some light to moderate showers. Flood watch in effect from now through 2 o'clock Saturday early afternoon. One flood warning as of right now. We zoom into Blount County south of Maryville. We have this warning in effect from now through 1 o'clock in the morning. They had a pop-up downpour, just stayed put, dumped a whole lot of rain in that one isolated section. So that's kind of what we are watching for, the potential for that. Now, what's the difference between a flood watch? Pretty much the whole forecast area has that right now. It means conditions are favorable for flooding. Be weather aware. If a flood warning gets issued, flooding is either imminent or already occurring. If that happens, take action, avoid travel, make sure to turn around and don't drown. Here are 6 predictors showing what we can kind of expect as we go throughout the next several hours. The rain will be around. Some of that could be heavy heading into 3 o'clock in the morning Saturday. Here's daybreak. It's just a model, but it shows a lot of heavy rain. If this happens, that flood potential could be realized heading into daybreak Saturday morning. And then as we go into early Saturday afternoon, rain chances kind of linger. That front kind of slowly moves southward, and by Saturday late afternoon, we should be seeing dry weather. But for the next around 12 to even 18 hours, we have this flash flood potential in place and could see rainfall rates 1 to 3 inches per hour in the heavier showers. That's impressive. Local totals of 2 or actually 3 to upwards of 5 inches of rain in some areas. If that happens, flooding will definitely be a possibility. Heading throughout the day tomorrow, rain chances look more likely in the morning, decreasing throughout the afternoon, and tomorrow night is looking dry. Different story tonight. Beyond that, Sunday, kind of lingering chances for rain. Here are the rain chances for Sunday afternoon going up. Monday could see some more rain as well, but beyond that, that's when the drier air moves in. I'm looking forward to that. Here's that 7-day forecast. We are weather aware for the flood potential tomorrow morning and tonight. Limited chances for rain Sunday and Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, a little bit cooler, and the air will be a little bit drier, so the humidity not quite as high. Those morning lows in the 50s, so nice and cool in the morning, and some nice and dry afternoons for next week. But until then, we are weather aware tonight.
Absolutely, Zach.